Hey there, future tech wizards! Have you ever wondered how computers work their magic? It's all thanks to systems. Think of a system as a team of parts working together to achieve a common goal. In the world of computers, we have these amazing things called computer systems. Now, a computer system is like a dynamic duo. It has two main parts, hardware and software. Hardware is all the physical stuff you can touch, like the keyboard, mouse, and the computer itself. Software, on the other hand, is like the brain of the computer. It tells the hardware what to do. It includes all the programs and applications that make computers so cool. Together, hardware and software make up a computer system, and they work in perfect harmony to bring your digital world to life. From playing games to connecting with friends online, computer systems make it all possible. Pretty neat, right? Systems are like the unsung heroes of our digital world. They're working behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more efficient. Imagine a world without systems chaos. But thanks to systems, we can streamline processes, automate tasks, manage data effectively, and improve communication. Think about it. When you order something online, a system ensures your order is processed, packaged, and delivered right to your doorstep. When you play a video game, a system renders the graphics, tracks your progress, and connects you with other players. Systems are all about making things work smoothly and efficiently. They help us save time, reduce errors, and make better decisions. And in a world that's constantly buzzing with information, systems help us stay organized and on top of things. Now that we've seen how awesome systems are, let's dive a little deeper and understand what makes them tick. Systems have some key characteristics that set them apart. First, they're all about interconnectivity, different parts working together like a well-oiled machine. Second, they have boundaries, which define what's inside and outside the system. Think of a car. It has a clear boundary, and everything within that boundary works together to make the car move. Third, systems have inputs and outputs. Input is what goes into the system, like information or materials, and output is what comes out, like a finished product or a service. Fourth, systems use feedback and control mechanisms to ensure they're working correctly. Finally, systems can be broken down into smaller subsystems, each with its own specific function, and they all operate within an environment which can influence how they perform. Understanding these characteristics helps us appreciate the complexity and elegance of systems. Now let's shift gears and talk about business systems. Just like computer systems power our digital world, business systems are the backbone of organizations, big or small. They help businesses run smoothly, serve their customers, and achieve their goals. A business system is like a well-coordinated team, bringing together four key elements: people, processes, technology, and data. People are the heart of any business system, making decisions, carrying out tasks, and interacting with customers. Processes are the steps and procedures that guide how work gets done. Technology provides the tools and platforms to support these processes, while data is the fuel that drives decision-making. Together, these elements work in harmony to keep businesses running like a well-oiled machine. Just like there are different types of cars for different purposes, there are various types of business systems, each designed to address specific needs. Let's explore a few of them. Management Information Systems, or MIS, are like the brains of an organization, providing managers with the information they need to make informed decisions. Enterprise Resource Planning Systems, or ERPs, are kind of like the central nervous system, connecting different departments and functions within an organization, streamlining processes and improving efficiency. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, is all about managing customer interactions, from sales and marketing to customer service, helping businesses build strong customer relationships. Supply Chain Management Systems, or SCMs, optimize the flow of goods and services from suppliers to customers, making sure products are delivered on time and at the right cost. Human Resources Management Systems, or HRMS, streamline HR processes such as payroll, benefits, and recruitment. Financial management systems help organizations manage their finances, track expenses, and generate financial reports. Each of these systems plays a crucial role in the success of an organization. By understanding the different types of business systems, organizations can choose the right tools to support their specific needs and goals. Now that we know how important systems are, you might be wondering, How are these amazing systems built? That's where system analysis and design come in. It's kind of like being an architect for systems, carefully planning and designing how they'll work. System analysis is a bit like detective work. We study the current system, identify problems, and understand user needs. Then system design is where we put on our creative hats and come up with solutions, creating a blueprint for a new and improved system. Think of it like building a house. First, you need to figure out what kind of house you want, how many rooms you need, and what features are important to you. That's system analysis. Then you'd create a blueprint that shows the layout of the house, the materials you'll use, and how everything will fit together. That's system design. System analysis and design are crucial for building systems that are not only functional but also efficient, user-friendly, and adaptable. By carefully analyzing the problem and designing the right solution, we can improve efficiency, because systems can automate tasks, streamline processes, and reduce errors, saving time and resources. We can also enhance decision-making, since systems provide access to accurate and timely information, enabling better decisions. Plus, we increase user satisfaction because user-centered design ensures systems are easy to use, intuitive, and meet user needs. And of course, we can reduce costs, since efficient systems can cut operational costs and boost productivity. Well-designed systems are also flexible and adaptable, allowing organizations to respond to changing business needs. By investing in system analysis and design, organizations can really reap numerous benefits, improving their overall performance and competitiveness. Imagine trying to build a complex Lego structure without instructions. It would be nearly impossible. That's where system modeling comes in. It's like creating a blueprint for our system, a visual representation that helps us understand how everything fits together. In software engineering, system modeling is crucial. It helps us define the requirements for the software, design the architecture, and make sure all the different parts will work together seamlessly. We use different types of diagrams and models to represent different aspects of the system, like its structure, behavior, and data flow. System modeling is essential for building robust and reliable software. It helps us identify potential problems early on, improve communication among team members, and ensure that the software meets user needs. Just like a blueprint guides the construction of a building, system modeling guides the development of successful software. As we venture further into the digital age, systems will continue to play an even greater role in our lives. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to cloud computing and the Internet of Things, exciting advancements are constantly shaping the future of systems. In this ever-evolving landscape, it's more important than ever to embrace innovation, collaboration, and a lifelong love of learning. By understanding the power of systems, we can unlock new possibilities, solve complex problems, and create a brighter future for everyone. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop learning. The world of systems is vast and full of opportunities. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one designing the next groundbreaking system that changes the world.